What's up, everybody? Today we are on a mission. So behind me is Goodwill. We're on a mission like we would be back in the days, like in the 90s, early 2000s. Well, 2000s they had CD players, but in the 90s they didn't have like CD players, out everywhere. So it was like popping towards the late 90s. But anyways, back in the early days, you had to go not to Goodwill, but you went to like a regular record store to find cassette tapes. And the situation with the Cutlass is I got an OG like stereo that's in there that has cassette player. So the stereo won't work off FM because the antenna is not connected. It's not working. So we're gonna test out the cassette player in this video to see if that works. So in doing so, I need to find a cassette tape. I don't have any cassette tapes readily available. The ones I do have, they're locked up in some kind of box, and I don't know which box it is. It would take me all day to figure out, but it's almost faster to go look for a cassette tape. Now in doing this video, I didn't know that finding cassette tapes are really hard, especially good cassette tapes, because nobody's giving up good cassette tapes if they got them, and I don't even know why they would hold on to them. It's something like, at least the A-track they're worth some, but cassette tapes aren't worth nothing. Nobody wants a cassette tape, you know what I mean? People look for, the old school A-track and all that. But anyways, we're gonna try to find some cassette tapes. We're gonna see what's there, what's available. So join me if you will. Here we go, we lock it in. So, as you know, it's gonna be hard finding them. We called up like bookstores, record stores, ain't nobody got any. So let's go see what they got. We found something, but striking out. I don't speak that language, but that's all they got. The challenge is hard. All right, off to the next store. First spot struck out. They had like quartet tapes. I ain't trying to bump no quartet stuff in my Cutlass, but that's pretty funny. Just the fact that you can't even find anything. And anyways, it was a long shot. I originally called up pawn shops, they didn't have any. Then I started calling up Goodwills, and some of them have some, but very few. And the next spot's going to be a retro store. It's like a retro game store that's like in Huntington Beach. And then after that, I got a couple other locations that I want to check out, but there's really nothing that's out there. So it makes you wonder, how would you get a hold of a decent tape? Like a decent tape you'd actually listen to, and where would you find one? Spot number, I think it's 3, but for you guys it's number 2. Best Buy. They got like a big audio section. We're gonna go in there and see what they got. And back in the day, you used to be able to just roll up and just get something and go. So let's see if we can still do it. Audio cassette. Let's see if they even have them. I doubt that they even have them, but let's go check it out. All right, here we go. Stop laughing. Stop laughing, no. Best Buy does not sell any music whatsoever, no more. No CDs, no cassette tapes, no nothing. All I got is just DVDs and Blu-rays and stuff. We're striking out. On to the next one. All right, we're here at another location. Again, back in the day when you wanted a cool-ass mixtape, you go to the indoor swap meet. We're gonna go see what the indoor swap meet got. Haven't been here in years, but it's good. Let's go check it out. They're still open, so let's see what they got. Wish me luck. All right, place number 4 struck out. No cassette tapes whatsoever. There was one guy that might have had one, but he checked, he didn't have it. So off to the next spot. Next spot, I'm thinking we hit Target, because the last time I was there, I saw music CDs and shit. So hopefully they got cassette tapes. This is crazy. I can't find a cassette tape that I would want to listen to in the car. That's nuts. So before I actually head over to Target, I actually called. No go, no music either. Damn. They said some have them still, but not that one. So anyways, we're off to Retro Game Plus, where they said they have a couple dozen. Let's see. There's got to be at least one tape I can bump. At least one. All right, let's see. Wish me luck. All right, so here we go. Let's see. Last stop. We're at Retro Games, Huntington Beach. We're out here looking for the cassette. We got to find a cassette plate. Actually a tape that we could actually rock inside the Cutlass. So they say they got a couple. Let's go in there and see what they got. Can you believe it? we actually found tapes inside the store. So they do have tapes. Huntington Beach is the only spot that has it. Retro Games Plus. Crazy. Not only did I find the tapes that I was like, just something I could, you know, play in the Cutlass, but I actually found the best hits of Santana, just like our car club. I cannot believe I'm not making this up. They actually have it. So anyways, really cool little trip. Now we have something that we could use on all 4 speakers to see if it works. My theory is it will work. I think the cassette player will work. So now there's only one more thing to do. Go to the car and put this tape in and see if it works. So let's go. All right, the journey has led us here. We got the cutty. We got the tapes. Now, I don't even know. It's been a minute since I played a tape. And I'm not gonna even front right now. I don't even know how to put it in to even make it work. But I know it goes long ways, but I don't know which side. But anyways, wish me luck, man. Hopefully this thing works. Now, I can't play it for longer than 7 seconds for copyright strikes, right? And I know some of these people, you know, they got definite, you know, copyrighted music. So I scored big time. I went in there, the first tape I saw, Young MC. Hey, it's hip hop. Young MC. First tape I saw, I'm like, gotta get it. Next tape I got, Heavy D, Peaceful Journey. I definitely like me some Heavy D. And then I was digging around and I saw Boogie Down Productions. I was like, yo, okay, we gonna definitely check this out. We're gonna see what this do. But then the best tape of them all, and I'm surprised that it even was there. It's a sign of something. So, as you guys know, my car club is Santana Car Club, and right there, the best of Santana sitting in the deck. There's only like maybe 40 tapes in there, 40. And to find this, I'm amazed. I'm amazed by it. So anyways, here we go. We're gonna start the car up and see what we get. Pardon the squealing. We still haven't got the fan bells. We're gonna do that soon. So she's running good. We're gonna pop in Heavy D and the boys. Now, I don't know, let me flip this here so I can see. I don't know exactly how you do this. I think you put it like in there like this. It's not like the most secure, you know, in the world, but you pop it in. I don't see the motor. It's probably backwards there. So let's pop it like this. Can't even. Oh. Oh. It works. It works. It works. So I can hear speakers up here, up there, and in the back. It works. Yo, oh, and it comes flying out. The cassette player works. That's crazy. That is so insane. Cassette player works. I wish I could play more, but I can't. Copyright strikes. I ain't trying to get no copyright strikes. But anyways, that's gonna conclude the adventure today. The cassette player, it works. Thank God, thank you. It works. And I'm able to play Santana in my car. That's even more amazing. So anyways, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe. Tell your boys about it. Tell everybody about the channel. Help us out. Oh man, I can't believe this. What a beautiful day. All right, till then, catch me in traffic.